Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we'll be talking about why some developers get stuck, why they stay stuck, and more importantly what to do when you feel stuck. So first, putting it out there, a lot of developers feel stuck not because they are not smart. As a matter of fact, I believe that if you're a developer, it kind of comes with being smart. Also, this doesn't have anything to do with the fact that they cannot learn, but I really believe that this is just because they follow the wrong pattern. So most people start coding with excitement. They watch tutorials, they build small things, and then after some time they just stop improving, and they really do not just know why. The motivation, they have no idea why the motivation and everything is just gone, and at that point they start to feel stuck. So there are some reasons that come with this, and the first reason is the tutorial addiction. Yes, so you can watch video after video, you copy code, it works, but you don't really understand why it works. In this case, the developer that's feeling stuck does not understand why it works. At that point in time, they've watched all these videos, they've done all these things, and then when it's actually time to build something alone, they start to feel lost. The thing is that tutorials should actually guide you, but they shouldn't replace your thinking. So it's fine to watch tutorials, it's fine to learn just what is being taught, but after some time you should always expand on what you've watched in the videos. And that reason is the fear of building real projects. So many developers avoid projects because they're afraid to fail, they don't know where to start, they also think that they are not ready, or the projects are just but projects are actually there to make you grow. You don't become ready and then build, you actually build and then you become ready, if that makes sense. Because when you build on projects, this comes with real world experience. You're able to experience just what it will be like to work in a world scenario, and this helps you to grow better as a developer. So the third reason is no focus. So today you're learning 1, tomorrow you're learning 2, next tomorrow you're learning 3. So it really isn't gonna help if you are learning Flutter today and tomorrow you're learning React and then next week you're learning Python. At the end of the day, nothing would actually go deep. It's always just gonna be on the surface level. So you don't need everything. You only need one path. You just need to stick with one stack, and this will help you in the long run. Then the fourth reason is perfection. You want everything to be clean, you want your code to be perfect, you want your app to look perfect, so you delay, you overthink, you stop, and then just naturally the motivation that comes with wanting to be a developer and exploring dies gradually. So at the end of the day, you need to remember that progress is better than perfection. So let's talk about how do you stop being stuck, what do you need to do to stop getting the feeling of being stuck. So the number one thing is to build small projects. Number 2, let us break things down and fix. Number 3 is to learn one stack deeply. That is very important. You always need to stop learning things on the surface level and learn more deeply. Number 4 is to stay consistent, not perfect. Number 5 is to stop comparing. You watch so many videos and you start comparing yourself with other developers and other stack. You really need to stop that. Being stuck is not a skill problem, it's a direction problem. So when you change your direction, your growth changes. So if you're feeling stuck right now, it doesn't mean that you failed, it means that you're ready for the next level. So what you need to do is to build, break, learn, and repeat. So just pick up that code, try to build on it, try to learn from the feeling of what made you feel stuck in the first place, what was it that you were doing, try to expand on that, try to research on that. So build, learn, and then repeat, and at the end of the day, the feeling of getting stuck and the feeling of being stuck will go away naturally. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you.